Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nadine Rich, founder of cruelty-free-models.com, the first and only directory of cruelty-free and eco-conscious models, makeup artists, and other industry professionals. On this channel, I enjoy talking about cruelty-free beauty, vegan fashion, a little bit of my life here in Costa Rica, and as always, have a little fun. So if any of those things interest you, then be sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you join the fam. So yeah, let's get right into this video, which is basically going to be a small life update, and then I just want to do a few tips on how to have an ethical photo shoot, so stay tuned. So it's been, I think, about 3 weeks since I last uploaded, but you guys, it has been crazy over here. I just moved into a new home that me and my husband built. And then after we got moved in and settled in, I had a death in the family, my wonderful Uncle Gene, and so it's just been a little bit crazy over here, but you know what? I'm back, I'm ready to create and just connect with you guys. So without further ado, tips for organizing a eco-friendly photo shoot. Tip number 1 is using eco-friendly creatives. That means using eco-friendly makeup artists, photographers, hairstylists. And that's the whole point of the site that I created, cruelty-free-models.com. It's to make it easier for you to find people and creatives that uphold the same values as you, as a model or as a creative. So, go to cruelty-free-models.com and look at the members. You can look for photographers, makeup artists, hairstylists, wardrobe stylists, even creative directors. So definitely check that out. And if you're not a part of the site, then definitely join. There's no reason not to, because we do have a free membership. So definitely go and join us. Tip number 2 is to use cruelty-free beauty products. And I'm sorry you guys, I have some construction going on in the background and it's raining, so double whammy there. But yeah, tip number 2 is to use cruelty-free beauty products. So, a lot of the times you don't always use an actual makeup artist. You'll do your own makeup or do your own hair. So make sure the products that you're using are cruelty-free, and I will list some resources in the description for websites you can go to make sure that the products you're using are cruelty-free. And along with that as well, use vegan fashion, you guys. Fur is totally out of style and unnecessary, so is leather and silk and wool. All of these things exploit animals, and that's definitely not something we want to do, especially for fashion. So yeah, use cruelty-free beauty products, use vegan fashion. And yeah, that brings us to tip number 3, which is avoid using paper as much as possible. When I used to organize photo shoots, I used to, print out, mood boards and poses and just ideas to take to the photo shoot with me to make it as successful as possible. But, now, you can easily just, have a board on Pinterest, or just download those images onto your phone so that you can go completely paperless now. So there's no need to print anything out. So yeah, tip number 4 is to go with plastic-free snacks. I don't know about you guys, but photo shoots are usually hours and hours long, and the only way I got through them was having snacks on hand. So, I recommend taking fruit with you, apples, bananas, those sort of things that don't require any plastic. And if you do need to grab something from the store, then try to find the snack aisle that has those plastic-free snacks that are out there nowadays. They definitely exist, a few brands I will list in the description below. So, just do that as much as possible. It's not always possible, but just knowing that, being aware of that and looking for those products definitely helps. So moving on to tip number 5. don't interrupt any animal habitats or, animal, things that are happening in the area or in the wild that you're going to be shooting in. So when you go to your, when you go scouting locations, make sure you're looking for whether you're going to be disrupting something natural, disrupting the natural habitat, whether it's as small as an anthill or, the home to certain animals. You don't want to disrupt that or interrupt that. So just something to be aware of. Tip number 6 is to leave, if you're going to be shooting outdoors, make sure you leave that environment better or equal to how you arrived. So that basically just means, not leaving your trash behind, not messing up anything, in that natural habitat. And as well, if there was trash there before you arrived, why not go ahead and clean that up, pick that up, leave it better than when you arrived. Those are my tips for organizing a eco-friendly photo shoot. By no means is that everything, so if you have some tips, be sure to leave them in the comments below. We'd be so thrilled to just learn. It's all about learning from each other. So yeah, let's just keep this community going. And again, I'm so sorry it's been a while since I uploaded, but I'm back. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. I'll see you guys next time.